Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to dispute late payments on Experian. So let's just dive in. So first of all, what are we going to do is we are going to be heading over to Experian, and of course, since we want to simply submit a dispute, we need to simply head over to their online dispute submitting section, and that is actually pretty easy. So what you need to do is, you can see we have this section here, and to simply add a dispute online, we can use this option. So to access this page, you can head over to experian.com/dispute /main.html. So this is going to be dropping you straight onto this page. So from here you can click on start a new dispute, but for that, make sure that you have your account already signed up and logged in, and only then you will be able to dispute your late payments. So whatsoever type of late payment it is, you can do that up to 7 years. We have a different time frames for different type of credit reports. And yeah, I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. We have late payments and stuff going on, so yeah, nothing need to be worried about. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you guys in the next video.